Hi, my amazing planner people. It's Jess from My Magical Planner, and it is subscription day. Now, this will be my last Sterling Ink subscription. I have, at least for now, paused my subscription because I have so many stickers. I've been thinking in the new year, I'm going to work on using some of those up. So, with that being said, let's get into this month's subscription. It is a $35 a month subscription, and comes directly from Sterling Ink. It is meant for, I think, her common planner and works very well with like the hobonichi cousin, but you can use it in other planners as well. It's super versatile. So here is this month's kind of sneak peek. We have this really deep blue, which I think is gorgeous, and we have kind of these starry realms and the moon and stars kind of in their orbits here with the flowers. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So this will be December's subscription, so it is January's kit. Maybe I can open it. Now, with this subscription, I do get two little packages. This one has all of my vellum, and this one has the majority of my stickers. So we're going to start with the vellum. Maybe. There we go. All right, so we're going to start with the full vellum sheets here. You do get two of them with this particular subscription. So we have this one with the orbits of the stars. I really like this. This is very different than what we've seen a lot of this year. So I'm excited about this. Part of the reason I was pausing my subscription, honestly, is because it felt so repetitious in what I was getting. So I really like the qualities of this. And then we have this one, which has more florals and just a little bit more busy. I could see using one of these as like the outside of your planner cover or something. If you're into making your own planner covers, these would be amazing. And you could switch them out monthly when she comes out with a new one. I think I saw somebody doing, well, at least decorating their planner with this, and I thought, oh, if you have one of those cover on cover planners, you could definitely slip this in between. I'm not sure if it would wrap fully around. It would depend on the size of the planner, but like I think a B6 size would definitely go, and you could do something like maybe cut it so you had two for like an A5 size. But I really like the vellum she develops this month. And she does, I believe, design her own stuff. Then you also get a vellum sheet that has the calendar. Some people tip this into their weekly section. I have some inks drying because I just recorded this video. So I can't fully show you, but like so they'll tip it in here. I tried this last week in the weekly section to kind of act as a divider into the new month. I tend to use it more during the day on one page section and use it as like a dashboard and it'll move, or I'll put it in a frame on my desk and that'll be my monthly calendar. You could also put it up on like a bulletin board, that kind of thing. But it is quite beautiful this month with all of these beautiful flowers and everything. Then we have, these are two kind of standard sheets. We have our January 1st through 31st, all square cut out. So if you're doing journaling or anything, especially if you're using her Sterling Ink planner, the common planner, you can use these to designate when one day is, because there is nothing at the back to tell you what day is what. And then you get a full month's worth of coordinating Monday through Sunday stickers, and they'll have flowers for whatever theme the month has. And you can pick and choose and kind of put your own together, or just go down the whole line and have that be the set. It's kind of up to you, but they are really beautiful. Then you get this little packet here. And it looks like she may have switched something up, I'm seeing. So let's see. So inside this little envelope is your smallest stickers. So we have a vinyl sticker. Mine does have a bubble in it. That's unfortunate. I think it'll be okay still, but that's the first time I've had a bubble in my sticker. But it is kind of like I think of this as like the moon phases for some reason. And then you have a moon in the background and some florals there. Really pretty. Then you get your tabs for your planner. So you get 4 of them here. 2 are plain and 2 have coordinating floral for the month. Then you get a little sampler. It has usually some deco, some floral, and then some additional little pieces here of layered kind of items. Then you also get your January or whatever month it is monthly script. This is absolutely stunning. I love it so much. I love the colors, like the deep blue and the purple are just amazing with the little touches of gold. Then we have her business card, which coordinates with the kit each month. So it's just a simple business card, but it is on rather thick cardstock with like a coating on it. So it works really nice if you're decorating the front of your planner or using it as a bookmark or something of that nature. You could also tip it in to your planner, and if you're doing like junk journaling or something of that nature. And then you also get a sticker that is a January calendar. So you have lots of different calendaring options. So if a lot of people use this in the back of the day of one pages at the beginning of the month, and they'll put it there, but it all depends on what works for you. So there is that. Then we get these stickers. So you get a large floral sticker, which just has larger pieces of floral on it that you can put together to make something, or you can just spread out throughout your spread to kind of add a little pizzazz. Then you get some scenes, and these are quite beautiful. Definitely bringing in that blue color. So we have like a fireplace scene here. We have a bench with like some stained glass windows and a staircase here, and you even have some of those moon kind of pathways and stuff on the ceiling, it looks like there. You have a bed scene, and then you have kind of like a foyer table, I think, there. And these all have just a smattering of foil on them. It is silver this month, so you can kind of see that. This one is unfoiled. Some of them will be foiled and some of them won't be. This one is again foiled, and it kind of has I think of them as corners and such, or edge pieces, because they usually have a straight line across one portion and a more organic line on the other side. So they work very, very well for doing like edge pieces and such. This one works very well if you want to do something over the centerfold of your book. Then we have these 2 pages. So we'll go with this one first. So we have some really beautiful scenes in here, and they're just kind of almost beignets from the scenes that you've already seen. So we have a close-up of the window with all this stars and everything around it. We have part of that staircase, and then a part of the sky behind it with some florals. It's really beautiful layering. And then we have the fireplace with some florals around it, and that side table as well. And this does have that smattering of foil on it. Then we have this one, which is kind of a combination. So you have just some regular elements that you can do your own layering with, as well as some florals to just kind of layer it on or add in combination with maybe these florals. And it's just quite beautiful. Next, we have our full pages here. So first you have this page that just kind of has some unique clusters and designs here. I especially like this one for some reason with like the leaf in the middle and all the offshoots. I think it's really pretty, in like the constellation here and this little tidbit here. Then we have a large kind of almost like swatch of paint or maybe washi underneath some florals that is really pretty. And we have this one with like the moon, or maybe it's just a piece of sky there with like the lines around it and the connection. It's all really pretty. And this is unfoiled, by the way. Then we have 2 pages that are identical. These are your washi strip pages. So essentially you have a long strip here. So you have 2, so you could do it across the whole like area. Usually if it's like a hobonichi cousin type A5 size. And then you also have these little tidbits. So if you're doing a larger planner, you can always add some of these to make it longer. You can cut it in half, do a lot of different things. And then you also have these 2 that are larger swatches that you could kind of combine to make something. And then in the middle here, you have some smaller elements that you can put together or add to one of these to make a longer segment, which I think is really cool. Also, this is foiled, so you have that little smattering of sparkle on there, which is really nice as well. And then our final page is actually a new page. So we used to get like a little square sheet of date dots that were square cut, and it looks like now we have all the months up here, so you could add those in. It's kind of nice. I wonder if this is going to be a monthly thing. I'm assuming it will be. Then we have Monday through Sunday here. And she has month weekday headers for monthly overview spread is what she says there. Then we have date numbers for monthly overview spread, and they're just square cut there. And then we have date numbers for weekly, which are a larger set, and then all of your weekly kind of Monday through Sundays, which is interesting. I don't know if I would use all of them, but I like having the options. So I think that's really cool. Anyhow, that's everything for this month. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And unfortunately, I probably won't be doing next month just because I'm going to be starting something new in the new year. And stay tuned for updates on that. Until next time, though, I'll see you real soon.